Okay, we're back. So now we're going to practice some of these strong syllables, and we're going to remember the hill, the top part, which is the strong beat, and everything else either leads up to it or comes down from it. So let's begin, and let's try a few words. Here's the first word, water, water, water. Do you hear it? Water. It's two syllables, water, 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 water. So the first syllable is wa, it's up here, wa, stressed. And then the second syllable is der. It's not even a T, it's really kind of a D, but it's just der. Water, 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 water. Yeah, water. Do you hear it? Water. So syllable one is the strong syllable. Number one is the strong syllable, water. Here's another one, the very similar one, and this word is coffee, 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 coffee. Do you hear it? Coffee, 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 coffee. Yeah, so it's coffee, coffee, coffee. Your turn, try it. Coffee, very good, coffee. Here's the next one. This is a good one. Listen to the word. I'll just say it naturally and you tell me what you hear. Tomato, 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 tomato. Do you hear it? Tomato, 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 down here, tomato, 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 tomato. Try it, say it. Tomato, 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 tomato. Do it up here. Tomato, 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 tomato. So it's I'm going up, tomato, tomato, tomato. Here's another one. Now there are three syllables here, three, and the strong beat, the strong syllable is in the middle. It's syllable number two. So it's apartment, 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 apartment. And this is actually a short A, it's a, but when I say it, listen, I just say apartment, apartment. You can barely even hear the vowel in ment. It's just ment. Apartment, apartment. So part is the strong syllable. Apartment. You try it. Very good. Syllable number two, apartment. Here is the word hospital, hospital, hospital. Do you hear it? The first syllable is strong, hos, and then biddle. Hospital, 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 hospital. This is very different than Spanish, right? This word in Spanish is almost the same, hospital. That would be hospital, number three. But in English, it's hospital, hospital. Try it. Hospital, hospital, hospital. Very good. Okay, here's another word, monkey, monkey, monkey. This starts at the top. Number one is mun. It's actually This word M-N-K together is monk, unk, unk, rather than N-K. It's unk, unk, monk, monkey, 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 monkey. Say it, monkey, monkey, monkey. Yeah, not monkey. No, not monkey. No. Monkey, monkey. All right. So if you know, again, if you know the strong syllable, you can say the word. Yeah, it'll tell you. So anyway, let's keep going.